Recover a file, understanding and mastering digital restoration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, recover a file. This is a common term used in the digital world, and understanding it can really enhance your tech vocabulary. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase. When we say, recover a file, we're referring to the process of getting back data that has been lost or deleted from a computer or other digital devices. Imagine you accidentally delete an important document or a photo. Recovering it means you find a way to bring it back. It's like finding a lost treasure in the digital sea. Files can be lost due to various reasons. Accidental deletion. Sometimes, you might delete a file by mistake. Corruption. Files can become corrupted because of software errors or viruses. Hardware failure. If a hard drive or storage device gets damaged, files on it might become inaccessible. Understanding these causes helps in taking preventive measures. There are several ways to recover lost files. Recycle bin or trash. On most computers, deleted files first go to the recycle bin, Windows, or trash, Mac. You can easily restore them from there. File recovery software. There are special programs designed to scan your device for recoverable files. Backup and restore. If you regularly back up your data, you can restore lost files from the backup. Prevention is better than cure. Here are some tips. Regular backups. Always keep a backup of important files. Use cloud storage. Services like Google Drive or Dropbox can automatically back up your files. Be careful. Double-check before deleting files or performing system operations. I hope this video helps you understand what recover a file means and how you can do it. Remember, the key is to be prepared and careful with your digital data. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and happy learning!